unit number 5, that is Animal Kingdom. Now, chapter number 12, Sense Organs of Animals. Kids, do you also like animals? Good. Now, let's revise. Paste the picture of any animal you like here. Now, collect information about its 5 senses and habitat. Write about it here. So, you have to do this activity by your own. Now, it's time to begin. So, let's start. Human beings have 5 sense organs that helps them to sense the outside world. Similarly, animals too have these senses. These senses help animals to find their food, interact with surroundings and escape from their enemies. Some senses may be more developed in particular animals, while some senses may be poorly developed. Let us learn about them. First is sense of sight. Owls can see even at night. Owls have eyes with face directly forward, giving them a wider range of vision. Here you can see an owl. Now, prey animals like deer and rabbit have wide and narrow eyes, which gives them a wider area of vision. This helps them to escape from their predators. All birds of prey like vultures, eagles and hawks have excellent long-distance vision. They can locate their prey from a distance of even 2 miles. Eagles can see a bird from a long distance. Clearer than human being. You can see a vulture. Cats, tigers, lions and jaguars have very effective night vision, which allows them to hunt at night. You can see crocodiles have eyes which are placed on the top of their heads. They are able to find their prey above water, even when their bodies are inside the water. Now, chameleons can move their eyes independent of each other. They can see 2 completely different images at the same time. You can see a chameleon. Now let's see the sense of hearing. Pigeons can hear sounds over long distances and can even hear incoming storms. Owls have crooked ears so that during the night, their left ear picks up sounds from below, right ear picks up sound from above. Snakes uses their jawbones to detect vibrations on the ground. Bats and dolphins emit high-pitched sound called ultrasonic sounds. They use echoes of these sounds to locate their enemies and predators. Spiders can hear by using tiny hairs on their forelegs. Horses can spin their ears in all directions. Cats, dogs and lions have a very well-developed sense of hearing. Now, sense of smell. Kiwis have external nostrils at the tip of their beaks. This helps them to find food even beneath the soil. Snakes have a highly developed sense of smell. They use their tongues to smell things. Dogs have a very strong sense of smell. They can locate their food, people, and even bombs. Mosquitoes and ants smell with the help of their antennas. Elephants can detect water almost 12 miles away. The trunk of an elephant has many receptors which help in the sense of smell. Sharks have a well-developed sense of smell. They can smell even a drop of blood over a mile away. Bears have the strongest sense of smell among all the animals. They use it to find food, mates, and to avoid danger. Now, let's see the fascinating fact. The sense of smell of a bear is 2,100 times better than that of human being. Now, let's see the sense of touch. Seals have whiskers which help them to track fishes. Cats have whiskers which help them to sense the size and distance of other animals. Crocodiles and alligators have small receptors under their jawline. They use it to sense the presence and location of their prey or enemies through the vibrations underwater. Beaks of birds have sensory organs at the tips. These helps them to find food even under the ground. Catfish has tiny hairs along the side of its body which helps it to detect earthquakes many days in advance. Now let's see the sense of taste. Earthworms too have taste buds located all over their bodies. Insects like butterflies and bees taste through their feet. Fish have a lot of taste buds in their mouths as well as on their skin. Amongst all animals, catfish has the most developed sense of taste. It has tiny taste buds located all over its body. Now, let's find out what are whiskers. Now, sleep patterns of animals. Most animals need sleep and rest, but not all animals sleep in the same way. Cats sleep for nearly 15 hours a day, while a rat sleeps for 20 hours a day. Now, fascinating fact, smaller animals sleep for longer time while larger animals need less sleep. Horses, cows and giraffes sleep while standing but need to lie down for short periods. Dolphins keep one eye open when sleeping. Bats and parrots hang upside down to sleep. Now, communication in animals. Animals communicate with each other to pass information. Some examples are as follows. Dogs claim their territories by peeing on a bush or a lamp post in that area. Monkeys make out a warning when any predator is near. Birds use sounds to find water and to other birds against any danger. Honeybees perform a dance to indicate the location of food. Chimpanzees communicate a threat by raising their arms or scratching the ground. Ants leave pheromone trails to be used by others in the colonies to find the source of food and warn against any danger. So that's all for today's class. We will meet in the next time. Bye bye.